In this video I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So here's what you need to do. You need to go to Instagram and then open up your profile. Now, when you post a story, you can make it a highlight after 24 hours. And if you don't want anybody to see your story, this is what you need to do. So the first step is you actually need to post the story because you can't post it and just add it as a highlight, but you can hide it from people so they don't see it. You go to settings, hamburger menu, settings and privacy. You scroll down until you see messages and story replies. You can go to story replies and disable this. That is the first step. The second step is you scroll a bit more until you find hide story and live. And then you can hide story, select each and every person. If you have lots of people, it's going to take a bit more time. But once you click on all of them, click done. And now the story will be hidden from everybody. And after 24 hours have passed, you can add it as a highlight. And then you can go in back and remove those people from the list once more. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If it didn't help you, let me know what was the problem and I'm gonna do my best to help you.